Yes, the car, the fan, earth, running, etc. are examples of motion, right? So, imagine a situation. Okay, if you sit in a moving bus, so are you at rest or in motion? When we sit in a moving bus, whether we are in rest or in motion. Okay, so we have different opinions. Some says we are in rest and some will say that we are in motion, right? So actually motion. Motion means motion means change in position. Okay. Change in position with position with time. Actually motion means change in position with time. Okay. If position changes, then we say that there is a motion. If there is no position change, then we can say that the body is at rest. Rest means no change in position. Okay. If there is no change in position, then we can say that the body is in rest. Clear? So we have to explain with examples. Okay. The example for rest is book on a table. So book on a table means the book is at rest. So it is the example for rest and car moving. Okay, car moving means there is a change in position. So we can say that it is an example for motion. Okay, so about motion, we have to know that motion depends on observer. Okay, motion depends on observer. Motion depends on observer. Clear? When we are sitting in a bus, according to a observer inside bus, we are in rest. Okay. When the observer is in is observing from the ground, then we can say that we are in motion. Okay. Sitting in bus means at rest. When the observer is inside bus, and when the observer is in ground, then we can say that according to him we are in motion. Okay, same condition and different opinions because of the position of the observer. Motion is always explained with respect to the that point of view of observer. Okay, then we want to learn about types of motion. Types of motion. Which are the motions that you know? Types of motion. Okay, first one is rectilinear motion. Okay, rectilinear motion. Then the second one is circular motion. Okay, circular motion. Fourth one is periodic motion. Periodic motion. Then the last one is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Okay, so we have four types of motion. When we look around, everything is moving. Okay, so how does a car moves? And how does a fan? And what about a swing? All are motion, right? But there is a difference. They are not in same type. There is no same type of motion. So today we will learn different types of motions. Okay, so first it is rectilinear motion. Okay, what is rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion means, okay, when an object moves in a straight line. When an object moves in a straight line. When an object moves in a straight line, then we can say that it is a rectilinear motion. Okay, rectilinear motion means motion in a straight line. For example, car on straight road is an example for rectilinear motion. Then train on straight track. Train on straight track is also an example for rectilinear motion. Then any extra examples? Okay, a person walking straight. A person walking straight is also an example for rectilinear motion. Okay, these are the rectilinear motions. And second one we want to explain is circular motion. Okay, circular motion means it covers a circular path. Circular path. So how can we define that? When an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. So circular motion means motion in a circular path. For example, the motion of a ceiling fan, then clock hands, then stone tied to a string are all examples of circular motion. So there is a constant change of direction in circular motion. Okay, constant change of direction. Then we have periodic motion. Periodic motion. Periodic motion means if a motion repeats itself after equal intervals of time. It is called periodic motion. Periodic motion means motion that repeats after equal time. Repeats. It repeats after equal time. So, for example, the motion of pendulum, swing, and the rotation of earth are examples of periodic motion. Okay, then the last one, oscillatory motion. Okay, so when an object moves to and fro, when an object moves to and fro, okay, then we can say that about a mean position. Okay, when an object moves to and fro about a mean position, it is called oscillatory motion. For example, the motion of a pendulum swing, all are examples of oscillatory motions. We can say that all oscillatory motions are periodic motion, but all periodic motions are not oscillatory. Okay, clear? So for a quick comparison, we can say that rectilinear means motion in a straight line. Circular motion means motion in a circular path. Periodic means it repeats in time. Okay. Oscillatory motion means it is to and fro motion. So I will ask you some questions. You can comment the answers. Okay. First you see, what type of motion is a moving bicycle wheel? What type of motion is a moving bicycle wheel? Okay, that is the first question. Okay, do you want to write it? So I will write it in the board. Then you can comment the answers. Okay. Okay. Then the first question is about what type of motion is moving bicycle wheel. Okay. Then the second one is freely falling, freely falling stone. Then third one is swing. So that's all for today. You can comment the three answers in the comment box. Okay, see you. Bye.